So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Yes Bank share. So we know that there are few updates regarding both Yes Bank as well as Reliance Infra, which are interrelated to each other. So we'll try to find out what are the major updates, and then we'll switch out to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you will not miss any instant updates. Okay, so we know that an update has come regarding Reliance Infra as well as Yes Bank. So what is that particular update? So you can see clearly Reliance Infra sells Reliance Center in Mumbai to Yes Bank for almost 1200 crore, and you can see the stock has jumped almost 9%. So which stock? Reliance Infra has jumped almost 9%. We know that Yes Bank also past 2 days we have seen a sudden increment of 20%. No, we know that it has jumped 20%, and I told there may be some insider news related to Yes Bank which will be released in few days, and you can see there are updates coming especially regarding Reliance Infra as well as Yes Bank. So if you see, the share price of Reliance Infrastructure has jumped 9% when this particular update has come, and we can see the building that it is selling. You can see Santa Cruz, which is Reliance Center, to the Yes Bank. In the media it was released recently. Okay, so we can see Reliance Infrastructure has also touched the 52-week high of 44.70, and that is not our major deal. And if we see Yes Bank, so you know that last year in July, Yes Bank took over the position of Santa Cruz building, which till last year served as the company's headquarters. So you can see it was served as the company's headquarters, and two other small properties owned by the company after it failed to repay the due. So you can see due of almost 2,892 crore was the due. So you know that Yes Bank is famous for all the dues to collect. Basically it fails to collect the dues. So that's why we know that major issues, bad loans, what we say in banking sector. So that was major for Yes Bank. So now this particular amount which it is receiving from Reliance Infrastructure will be definitely positive for Yes Bank. Okay, so now a big question arises, what will Yes Bank do with that building? So clearly you can see, according to Reliance Infrastructure executive, Yes Bank plans to use this building as the corporate headquarters and will be moving it into soon. So this is also an update which was released especially today itself. So that's why stock of Reliance Infrastructure has also increased, but Yes Bank, we know little it is trying to move up. We know that market also is in little volatile condition, so it is trying to move up. So the previous day where we have seen a little correction, and again now it is trying to go up. Okay, so if we see today's traded quantity versus deliverable quantity, so you can see 34.39% are the deliverable quantities, and you can see deliverable percentage. And if you see traded quantity, 7 crore 33 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see deliveries wise we have seen 2 crore 52 lakhs 32,000 shares have been taken into deliveries. Okay, so previously we know that when the stock has been continuously fallen down, many people we discussed during previously about Yes Bank. So that time we discussed technical wise. So many analysts have given technical targets that 18 would be the next resistance, after that 22 would be the target. So many people were not aware why it has given that 20% upper circuit, right? So technically it's not possible, because it may be possible but something might be going around. So there were these updates, especially when 1200 crore is being received by Yes Bank. So this was being circulated around the market well before we are known. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts, and also we'll see what are the next levels for Yes Bank, and also we'll see about Reliance Infrastructure, because many people are having doubts regarding that as well. Okay, so quickly let us see how the deliveries are being taken on a regular basis. So you can see previous days trading sessions, you can see roughly we are seeing a constant of 45 to 44% deliveries have been taken, and on March 31st we have seen only 28.9% deliveries. So after the 16 to 17% movement what you have seen day before yesterday, so after that little correction was seen, and again today the deliveries have increased because little accumulation is present at that particular levels. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts of Yes Bank. So you can see currently it is trading near 15.75. So you can see the buying which was seen from the low level. So the wick itself is telling that it has tried to go down, but when the updates are coming, it has started retracing from those levels and it is closing above the pivot point, which is very important. So that we have discussed in previous videos also. So what is that pivot point? 15.50 is the pivot point, and some type of bullish type of hammer is seen in it. So next week is going to be, definitely it is going to be a very important session for Yes Bank, and you can see there we also have the 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming out to be near 15.86. So again, if it crosses that today itself, so currently the market price is 15.75, if it crosses above that, that is closing above it, then definitely the bullishness may be continuing. So it will try to, if it crosses that, then definitely next immediate resistance is 16.25. After that, target would be 17 rupees level. So money flow index also, you can see from the low levels the buying was seen, it has gone to oversold region. So after that it has considerably started retracing. So that was in 1 day chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see the same thing. After the particular movement it has generated, after that it has corrected little bit, and again the same base has been formed. So if you zoom a little bit, so you can see this is the particular level, 14 rupees level. So that is going to be very crucial support for the coming sessions as well. And next immediate resistance there when it enters the channel, so after that next resistance would be 20. Okay, so 18, 20. So those are the next two immediate resistances that we need to watch out. And also money flow index is pointing upwards, which has started retracing from the low levels. So hope all the updates are clear, especially regarding Yes Bank, so as well as Reliance Infra. So let us discuss even about Reliance Infrastructure as well. Okay, so if you see Reliance Infrastructure, so that is trading near 38.10. So many people ask technicals, right? So you can see for this 35 is the immediate support. After that, next immediate resistance is 38.10, sorry, 38.5. So after that we have 40 as well as 42 as the next resistances. So if it closes that, then definitely you will see further movement. Okay, so make sure you watch all these things very clearly. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or in Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.